Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sam Inspire Vlog. Today I bring you a tour of Pub Street and Old Market area. So right now we are starting from South Sand Road corner. So this is like Sivatar Boulevard, that is the Elephant Hotel. And this access is on South Sand Road to the west of Old Market. Now let's take a tour from the National Bank of Cambodia, and this is the Elephant Hotel, the former Elephant Hotel. And this here is Sivatar Boulevard. You can see this to the north. Okay, and tour around here. Okay, so now let's carry on to the roundabout. What is going on with the former Elephant Hotel, Elephant Terrace Hotel, but this look like it's also under construction. And here's the Old Market roundabout, the Naga roundabout. Now I'm taking the road to the east toward Old Market. You can see all these block of stone, that is the material to be used for the construction. It's just like sewage and some curves like that. And that is Taprom Hotel. Yes, very nice. And this is the Ibis Hotel. Seems like it's not working. It's not operating at the moment. All the building around there, that is on the other side of Siem Reap River. We call it Siem Reap Art Market, but most of the shops not working, it's not opening. Now I'm on the other side of the river. This is Wat Dam Nat roundabout, that is Hard Rock Cafe, and we are going to walk through the bridge. So this is like Wat Dam Nat Bridge toward Old Market. Okay, so here is Old Market. You can see the road to the east, not here. Over here is also expanded, so it make it bigger. As you can see over here, so they cut part of the front colonial building of the Old Market building, and to make the road bigger. I will also walk into the market and you can see how it like. So this is like fish and vegetable selling on the street, and I think they limit for a few hours to be opened in the morning, because this guy is coming to ask them to move away. This is the existing store vendor along the way. I walk in the market, you can see chicken, chickens and fruit as normal. So everything is like it's normal going on. As you can see also in this area, just same like before. I'm taking right and straight. This is like mainly the vegetables and beef, pork and so on. Okay, and I will arrive at the road just in front of Amok Champai restaurants, as well as the Khmer kitchen. That is, if I go up there, that is Khmer kitchen, and up over here, that is the National Bank of Cambodia that we just passed. Okay, let's find a way to go on. I'm taking this one. You can see some surveys already done, and here I walk between Amok and Champai restaurant toward Angkor Wat Bar. And this block is Miss Wong Road. Okay, so you can see ground. Now we are heading north to Angkor Wat Bar, that is the pub on the pub street. Okay, nothing going on, and now we are at pub street. So if you have watched my earlier video, you can see here is very busy, but now it's nothing happening. So mainly constructions. So they just expand the street to be some bigger, not too much, but yeah, of course cannot be too much. Restaurants formerly in my other videos look very nice, and this one should be banana leaf. So we are going to UK Pharmacy, and on my right that is a blue pumpkin, heading back to the bridge on this road. Okay, so everything is under construction, but a lot, the major part has already been completed. So, but I'm not sure, of course. Okay, so everything under construction and construction. This is the street in front of the Siem Reap Provincial Hospital. Okay, so the street here is not constructing, I think, because this one they have just refurbished soon before, so maybe they're not going to redo it. This is the famous home cocktail. I think it's not operating as well. Yeah, not sure in the evening. So this is Home Cocktail Road, and toward the Sivata Boulevard, where the big billboard is located. Okay, we are here back to Siem Reap Boulevard, just in front of Provincial Hospital. That is the point I'm taking of these pictures. This is the billboard that I just mentioned, and up over here is the Red Channel Street, the Triangle Street. So this is the inner part of the triangle area. So you can see most of the activity here is like it's not really going on here. Like the triangle area used to be shop, clothes shop, ice cream, many massage, many stuffs going on here. But now during this construction period is just like zero activity happening, even in the main buildings over here. So very quiet, and also the construction work today also is not happening, maybe because this is lunch break, I'm not sure. And right here, this is the junction of the Pub Street. So on my left, this is the Red Channel restaurant. Okay, your beautiful Red Channel restaurant. The some edge has been cut, I think. Okay, let's tour back from this corner. Okay, Red Channel, that is Pub Street. The sign boards also taken away. Okay, this is to our right, this is toward Siem Reap Boulevard. This is like the Sun restaurant, famous for hamburger. Okay, that's Pub Street on Cobalt Bar. You can see, but the space now is much bigger. So it's good if it have open again, so don't have to be too crowded, especially during the New Year time or any other festival. This is the Sun restaurant I just mentioned. They had very nice hamburger here. Okay, so let's walk back to the old market area. Please enjoy, everyone. Right, we are back to old market. You can see also construction, and this junction is now also bigger. Yeah, that is National Bank of Cambodia that we just been to. This is to Amazon Cafe. Yeah, I will walk along this way. You can see extended thing as bigger, and the drainage and sewage also available under the ground. So this is the rainwater won't be flooding the area anymore, I hope. Old market still happening, but most of the souvenir shop is not opening because of course there's no tourists here. Okay, we walk toward the end of the road to the corner of Amazon restaurant, which is under big banyan tree. yeah, that is the access to Siem Reap Art Market. So let's take a tour from the other side, like, and from the reverse. This is the old market from the other picture, from the other corner. Okay, now I'm walking back along the way I just been through, which is the west of old market, and we are going to see a few more pictures from this corner, so how things like. So please stay with me. That is all market, and now I'm going to the west, back to the National Bank of Cambodia. So this could give you some memory of how it looked like in the past and how different it is now. Yeah, you can see a big crane track in front of me. Material issues. So this is the door to the National Bank Cambodia, and that is the Elephant Rest Hotel that we just been here. So this is the end of my tour. Thanks so much everyone for following me. Hope this gives you some updates and information of the progress of the construction at Old Market and Pub Street area. So when it complete, I will have a few more video or picture for you. Please subscribe to my channel, and all the best. Stay safe, and looking forward to see you back in Siem Reap, everyone. Bye bye.